Organize my fridge with me.
Restock $1,000 worth of grocery with me. A list of the organizers I'll be using can be found in my bio. This egg one is my favorite because once you take one egg out, another one rolls behind it. These containers are airtight and keep my food fresh longer. I pour milk, orange juice, chocolate milk, and lemonade into these little containers because they're great for on the go. The wine rack is an absolute must, and make sure that you come back to my page to see how I restock the pantry.
Our fridge doesn't have an ice maker, which you don't realize is a huge luxury until you don't have it anymore. So we have this bucket in our freezer, and what we do every week, we go to Chick-fil-A. You can buy their 5-pound bags of ice for around $1.50. It's amazing tasting ice. If you haven't had their Pebble Ice, you have to try it. And then we just have this scoop, which I got from Amazon. We pour it in, and that way we don't have to fill up ice trays every few days, and it lasts us quite a while.